Finally, our beloved Imam has arrived in Canada, and everyone is very happy. We pray that this joy remains within the community forever, and that our spiritual leader continues to guide us.
Today in Ottawa, Canada, a special event was hosted by our Imam, Prince Rahim Al-Hussaini. More than 40 Canadian ministers, senators, and members of parliament attended this important gathering. This was truly a significant moment. The event also included those leaders who have worked closely with the Ismaili Imamat and its institutions in serving humanity, and who remain committed to continuing this noble mission. People came from different backgrounds and regions, but together they stood united. It felt as though they were one community, with a shared vision and purpose under the leadership of Prince Rahim Aga Khan. During the event, our beloved Imam highlighted the strong and long-standing relationship between the Government of Canada and the Ismaili Imamat, a partnership built over many decades. Following this, our Imam traveled to Montreal, where he was warmly welcomed by the Honorable Manon Janot, Lieutenant Governor of Quebec, Claude Guay, Parliamentary Secretary to the Minister of Energy and Natural Resources of Canada, and leaders from the Quebec Jamat. Earlier in Ottawa, Her Excellency the Right Honourable Mary Simon, Governor-General of Canada, along with His Excellency Mr. Whit Fraser, hosted a dinner in honour of the Imam of the time at Rideau Hall. On that occasion, our Imam said, "My father had a deep love for Canada and its people. He greatly valued the principles of respect, dignity, and pluralism that define this nation. I intend to further strengthen this relationship and bring all the capabilities of the Imamat to our shared work."